DJM TV. Welcome to DJM TV News Update for the week. I am Umar Latifa. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV and also click on the notification bell for more superb videos. DJM TV.
Your Excellency, my brother in whom I'm very, very proud, my authentic comrade, a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and currently the executive governor of Imo State, who even from those of us observing from outside, you are already a strong hope. Because after all, your name is distinguished Senator Hope. Now we can see Hope again, State of Imo. On behalf of the Igbo Youth Union in Edo State, I have been directed to present this award to you in recognition of the massive reconstruction and repositioning that you are doing in the district. Congratulations, my brother. APC, I have the singular honor to call to the microphone the action governor of Imo State, the God-given governor of Imo State, the people's-oriented governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State.
Your Excellency, the former governor of Edo State and the former chairman of the largest party in black and white Africa, the wife of the incoming governor, Mrs. IZE-IYAMU, the membership and leadership of Igbo Union in Edo State. Ndị Igbo ekelele m unu. Ekelele m unu. Gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. Egwu na-atụ unu. No. Take it easy. Take it easy, please. Stop making noise now. Focus. It's okay. We're getting to Ni wetelele munu. Etelele munu. Etelele munu. Getting to I am here because of you. This evening is a special evening. It's an evening of covenant. Anybody, our interest is to make sure that Pastor IZE-IYAMU imagine that the government of Listen. It is only if you are attentive that you can hear what I'm saying. If we come here and dance and go, we may not get the message. I want you to get the message. My friend, if you like what we are doing, you can tolerate anything for the interest of what we are doing. I urge you, tolerate whatever for the interest of what we are doing. Thank you. Now, get into I have come to let you know that you are not orphans in Edo State. And I have come to give you an information that you take home as information given to you by your own person. Let us not deceive ourselves. Power, as you know, belongs to God. And some of us on earth are messengers of God. We have the anointing to know what God has decreed. I can tell you, and you can go home with it, that the opinion of Almighty is that IZE-IYAMU will be governor. Last month, I did not come here yesterday. I am here today. I will be here tomorrow. I will be here till the election day. Okafo Bruzo. The 8 years of administration of Adams Oshiomhonle, we felt it from Igbo land. After Oshiomhonle, we are not able to feel anything anymore. And we want to begin to feel government again. And the only way we can feel government again is to take time to know the new direction of the wind of change. Those who want to confront the wind of change will be victims to the wind of change. So, in Nigeria, APC is the ruling party in Nigeria. There were days APC yielded to blackmail and allowed those who did not work for the people, took away what belongs to the people. That APC is not the APC of today. The APC of today is that because you have decided that you will vote for APC, and because APC have people like us, we will come and protect your vote and make sure the result is announced. All we are asking is to allow our people to vote and for their vote to count. You did it before, and you can do it again. I had that told you, and we came not to be tenants in our father's house. We need a government to get mono. Want the environment where you can practice and go about your businesses without fear or favor. Without fear of anybody molesting you. The business of governance is not theory, it's a practical thing. And until practical politicians are given opportunity to govern our land, the dividends of democracy will not come to you. We have identified Pastor IZE-IYAMU as a practical politician. A politician who has the fear of God. It is not only the message. Nobody will throw the message away, no matter the blackmail, no matter the amount of billboards you put on the streets, no matter the advertisement. All we need were leaders with the fear of God. Leaders who will make our system work again, who will make our society become what it is. They will come to you, Ndibo. You tell them, and Ndibo decide that. EDO, oya got to vote where they are. APC who the ruling party. And there is no might outside the might of God that is stronger than the might of federal government. The federal government of Nigeria belongs to APC. The federal government of Nigeria belongs to APC. APC came before. At the beginning of the emergence of Adams Oshiomhonle as the APC governor, APC was not popular in this part of Nigeria. But I can tell you, you see what is happening in Imo State. That is APC. You see what is happening in Lagos. That is APC. You see what is happening in Kaduna. That is APC. You can have about the shows of government. Don't be afraid of anybody. Don't give anybody your voter's card. Go there on that day, 19th. Don't print that broom. Aziza, Because we must sweep out all the bad things so that the Spirit of God can come into the state. So I will come here as your own brother. If anybody will not tell you the truth, I will tell you the truth. And the APC, under the leadership of Buhari as the president, have decided that Nigeria must be developed. Never in the history of this country has any government brought the number of social intervention programs like the government of President Muhammad Buhari. Whether you call it trader money, whether you call it school feeding system, whether you call it agri loan, skill acquisition, youth empowerment, labor employment programs, trillions of naira is going into the society every day for the development of our young men and the women for a greater tomorrow. Now, in EDO, do you see the money? That is the issue. That is the issue. Have you asked them where is the money? So if you want to see the money, look for Pastor EZE-IYAMU. Because as long as it's running, all the programs that have been coming here which you have not seen, not only that you will see them, you will make use of them. So don't be afraid. And tonight we are under agreement. And you know what agreement means to our people. We cannot destroy at this time our integrity. Our agreement is that we have decided and we are in agreement and we are here to help people to vote for APC so that the APC will usher in this young, vibrant politician. The last time he contested the election as the governor, you people told me that you voted for him. And you already know how to vote for him. So voting for him is not a problem. It means that you will vote for him again, isn't it? So what are we talking about? Some people are already blackmailing us. Propaganda. We are bringing thoughts. We want to rig election. Let me tell you, if you get to where they are drinking in a beer parlor, the first man who will say, I'm serious, I'm not drunk, is the man that is drunk. So what they're doing, they know that under free and fair election, they will not win. So they have started this blackmail so that they can do what they believe they can do. But I can assure you, they don't know that government is prepared to stop them from doing evil. There is no evil. And I challenge any criminal who think that after you have gone around to campaign, after the people are trying to vote for you, that you will come here to manipulate the election. We will be here to see the person manipulated. There is government. If APC, if the federal government cannot defend APC, cannot defend other political parties, federal government is in position to ensure that the environment for free and fair election is available. And that is what we are looking for. I know you have been here since the morning. I want to thank you for being here since the morning. It is because this matter is important to you, and it's because you know your brother is coming. That's why you stay. No problem. I want to assure you, if you go home tonight, sit down with your husband, call your children, because you and your husband is already 2 votes. Those who have 5 children that are registered, already 5 votes. 5 plus 2 is 7. If every Igbo family brings out 7 votes in EDO, we already won the election. So when you go home, I want us to have a family meeting tonight. You and your husband, your children, even your domestic workers. So that house by house, we are sure of those votes that belong to us. There is no promise made to you by EZE-IYAMU that he will not keep. I can assure you, we have had private discussions. We've had public discussions. The party interviewed him. The party screened him. We saw the heart of God in this man. And we are almost perfect. I think when you see politicians who mean well, you look at the number of people following him. There is no privacy in his house. The only place I didn't see people fighting was inside the toilet. That is a politician who cares for the people. But all these politicians who wear no tie, everything, morning tie, afternoon tie, evening tie, it's not, they are office workers. So they will come to want to buy your vote. Don't say your vote. They will want to come to buy your vote. Don't say your vote. If you say your vote, you sold your right. Tomorrow, the tax will be very high for you. Next tomorrow, landlord will give you quick notice. Day after tomorrow, they will put a demolition sign on your building. Is that the kind of government you want? So the leadership of what is Uzodinma? Okay. Oja tolonu. Onye ji ọkụ akpọ ọkụ ga-agwụrụ ọgwụ, gwa ga-enye ya ofu na-eri tụrụ ọrụ. Agwa ya ji. Ozi ngezi unu. Ọ ga-ada ụda. Ihe gbasara election, ọ nwere rules. Enwere ụdị ihe a ga-ebula okwu igwe. Ebuola anyị nsogbu echi. Ma ihe na-agụ ụnụ bụ ahụrụ ndị bịara agba afọ si chere. Ọnwa na-agba na-enye gị na-erito. Aga m ezi Obinna ozi. Aga m ezi the leadership ozi. Ha ga-agba ụnụ. Oge ezukwa n'onye ọbụla ọnụ. Ụnụ abụla ụtara ọbụla rice na-abịa. So enwere mgbe pati ndị mbụlarị ahụ, oge pati mbụlarị ahụ wuri, pati ahụ tịta njeleta ihe na-ewi na awa azịza. Mgbe ọwa azịza ka anyị ga-atụrụ vootu. Anyị masị nna ya ụnụ, eji m obi Chineke na ya wee na-agwa ụnụ na ndị Igbo tara afụ. Ị gaa na Kano, gaa na Mina, gaa na Sokoto, gaa everywhere, ndị Igbo juru eju. Ihe anyị na-ayọzi iwu gọọmenti ga-n'ọbịa ọhapụ ndị be anyị ka ha mee biznes ha ka ọhụrụ. Anyị achọrọ ndị ga-eme achọwa vootu ewuru ezigbo mmadụ, enweta vootu ewuruzi ajọ mmadụ. Ọ bụ ihe anyị chọrọ. Enwere m na-agwa ụnụ na ọrụ dịrị mụ na gị, ọrụ dịrị mụ na gị, ọrụ dịrị mụ na gị ime ka ndị be anyị tadebe afọ ha na-ata. Ihe ọbụla ebe ọbụla ị nọ eme biznes, ebe ọbụla ị nọ na-arụ ọrụ, ọ dị mma ka gọọmenti na-achị ebe ahụ hụ gị asị mmadụ ka ọ gara ahụ ị ga-azọ ebere ịgba odibo ma ọ ebere abịa. Because anyị nwere stake in this state. And the number of Igbo people not here. Amarago, I want a landlord who do what I do. I want to learn business who do. I want to diagnose about what I wouldn't do. I want to ask why I wouldn't do. So, you may be able, you may be in Igbo. So, in order to protect that which belongs to us, I want a responsibility to be part of the process as a government that is answerable to our people. Government is the IZE-IYAMU. God is answerable to the people. I'm not who no more. That was the last day we no go. I pattern care. Before I like about cooking. I got about cooking before now. I have boys. I'm going to get see I don't get up out. One of my making a fellow Dana Benin, not go no. In the world of the Mananabia, in the last show of the Mananabia, in this time Mananabia. You need a job who APC win. Ogu Galali very soon. Well, not can you pass the young? God can alone. Only no assistant AM till now because of him. Okay, let's know. I am not TN. Very good. I want to hold. I want to know we don't know. What would I say? I am one of them. My own good night to Simon. Consider que me dê logo lá rádio.
Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Imo State, the one and only Senator Hope Uzodinma, Your Excellency, two-time Governor of Edo State, immediate past National Chairman of the APC, Comrade Adams Oshiomhonle. My wife, Professor, my wife, by the grace of God, the incoming First Lady of the ladies and gentlemen, mine is first an apology that you had to wait so long. Please forgive us, but we deeply appreciate the sacrifice you made for us today. We will pay you back in good government. His Excellency has come to rekindle hope, to also tell you the character of Pastor IZE-IYAMU. I will not disappoint him. I will not disappoint you. 4 years ago, peoples in Edo State supported me overwhelmingly. Not because I was in PDP, but because I'm their friend. Many of them are like brothers to me. And so they supported me. I want to tell them the affliction will not rise up a second time. This time, we are in the party that will give us victory. And this will be the opportunity to repay you for your former support. Let me just sing a worship song because people love to sing. Can we just stand up and worship God for me? Let's just stand up and worship God for me. Yahweh, your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh. Yahweh, Yahweh.
Obaseki must go. Somebody change. Obaseki must go. Yahweh, your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh.
Sheep changer. You are a governor sheep changer.
Governor change. Obaseki must go. Governor change. Obaseki must go. Yahweh, Yahweh, your name is Yahweh. You are a miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh, Yahweh, Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are a miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh.
Thank you and God bless you.
My dear friend, the man who is living up to his name, which is doing the hope and has brought hope to the land of Igbo State. A distinguished senator and a performing governor, Governor Hope Uzodinma. Using you as his instrument, the next executive governor of this great state. Pastor Osage Andrew IZE-IYAMU. The very proud husband of Professor IZE-IYAMU, who, by the special grace of God, will be a digital first lady. This great state. Maybe allow me to talk small thing. I was watching, and I did watch one interview from some of these cable stations. They thought they got a soft target. They fire hard question. When he fired to the blood, people say that this one is gotta go. So we in Edo State, by the special grace of God, we are going to have a mother with caring heart. A mother who knows the value of education. And we therefore support the husband to give appropriate priority to education, which is the basis of our collective future. And speaking of Mrs. IZE-IYAMU, let me appreciate the leadership of Igbo youth who have put this together. And it is not common to find Nigerians on a working day. And looking at your faces, I'm not a witch doctor. You do not look like civil servants. Because civil servants, whether you work or not, in a monthly salary. So you have had to leave your job, your market, your businesses to be here to receive our dear friend on behalf of my brother and his lovely wife. Every minute you have spent, he has already spoken. The way to compensate you is to make up for the lost time. And he will build unity across the state. There is no village we have been to without a sizable Igbo community servicing the commercial life of this great state. Even in my small village, Igbo community Kenya, Igbo Gwenu, where there is no Igbo person, it means there is no air there. And like he said, there are no better mobilizers, organizers than Igbo. So I believe when you have that your family meetings tonight, and the agenda is breaking from the past and restoring hope to Edo State, the message you got from no other than hope himself. I am sure we are closer and closer to Oshiomhonle Avenue. Your Excellency, I had excellent working relationship with the Igbo community in Edo State when I was a tenant at Oshiomhonle Avenue. The guy who spoke was executive director of protocol. I don't know the teeth and I'm not suspecting anything. My late wife was so fond of him. My children, all of them, they will always say, where is the way they ask after their brother? That is how they ask after him. And I found it interesting and incredible when my late wife passed away, and 5 years later I had another one. That one too was very fond of him, and he had access to our rooms. That is the level of trust. I did receive a letter from the Igbo community in Edo when I appointed some Edo people into government at a time when Oji from Abia was sacking some people who are of Igbo origin, but they are not from Abia State. And the guy said, look at how you receive us. I am not a pastor. I only have good heart. This man is a pastor. He's an ordained pastor. He understands the meaning of love thy neighbor as thyself, regardless of your accident or bad place. So I believe, as you can see, you voted for him last time. I voted against him. Does somebody see miracles happening? Now, God knows that that was not the time. We walk against each other. That same God in heaven, the governorship changer. He has brought together those who are. Let me explain what I tried to say. When it is time, this is pastor's time. And to be honest, Your Excellency, everywhere we have gone to where you have predominantly Igbos, like the Spear Park Market, the reception we got here yesterday, it will linger in my brain for a long time. And they told us how when their market got bought, the governor of this state came a few days later and promised not only to rebuild the market but to give them money to restart life again. Thereafter, they never saw his break light. Pastor EZE-IYAMU, who was not a governor, he wasn't even yet a candidate or even thinking of being a governor. He was taught by the visuals he saw on television. He mobilized with his wife and they donated their widow's mite to support those people traders at the Welu market. But you know, when you do good or you do bad, you will forget. Those who are beneficiaries or victims of your actions, they don't forget. Yesterday, they are the one reminding him that he stood by them at their moment of grief and agony. He brought some succor to them. If he was the government, imagine what he would have done. So, as they say, you don't need to be a governor before we know what you can do. So, I think we are in good hands. And hope, I really want to thank you. I know how busy it can be, but it's more so when you take over from a government that was the kind of government I don't want to talk. But I still remember my prayers on the street of Imo State. When I said, oh Lord, I don't want to repeat, I can't even repeat because it came by spirit. And I'm happy that God has answered the prayer. And every day I watch what you are doing in Imo State. In spite of all the conspiracies, I see that you are the typical proverbial tree that bear fruits. Everybody wants to throw stone at it. The one that has no fruit, nobody throws stone. And those stones will not touch you. They will empower you to do more. We in those days, we are humbled that you are with us today to mobilize the Igbo community, to speak to them in the manner that you have done, to show solidarity to us. He who stands by us when we are in need, God will stand by you when you are in need. And for the Igbo community, I want to really appreciate you. I can see this lady so energetic, bubbling. I'm like, you must have brought Tony. Because there is a way a message can touch your heart. And you find yourself reacting. I think that you have said things that touch their heart, that force them to rethink and to think again. We can't thank you enough. So on behalf of the APC,
thank you for watching.
And also on behalf of President Muhammadu Buhari, who personally handed over the flag of the governorship election to Pastor EZE-IYAMU. I believe I have this authority as a floor member of APC. So, thank you as Mr. Hope. Thank you for all you have done to support this project. May God reward you and the Igbo community abundantly.
DJM TV. DJM TV.